All right, you trader nerds, welcome into a wacky Wednesday. And just when we think that Papa Joe has solved everything with inflation, it ain't so, y'all. Inflation's still hot. And so we are down 1.17%, even though Joe continues to tell us, hey, ain't no problem. Prices are going down. All right. I am glad because now I can go through the McDonald's drive through and pay under $11 for a Big Mac combo. It's so incredible, y'all, the amount that stuff is going for nowadays. What's up with inflation? Thought the government had this under control, but apparently they do not. It is still on. And here's the thing, y'all, when the market realizes that we ain't getting no rate cuts this year, it's going to be down, baby. Down, down, down. VIX is up into the 15 handles, almost 16. We've got average volume, and we are hanging around the cash open. See that? Everybody see that? Now, what's this? Here's where, how does this work? Look at this. This we know was going to be support, and I'll be danged if it wasn't support today. It comes down again, it's support again, and now it's trickling around there again. It's support. But here, dear friend, is where I need to give you some bad news. We could possibly go down all the way to the 51.14. Say it ain't so, and we would still be fairly priced. So what we'll probably expect is a little bit of bounce around this area, and we could always go to the point of control, but we could always go to the 51.14. So be on the lookout. Yesterday, I told you, where are we going? I said, well, we may hang around in here a little bit, fill some of these gaps. I said, but we're very likely to go to the 51.92. Indeed, we went to the 51.92, tested at 51.91. Nothing takes us by. Yeah, damn you, Putin. Way to go, Dwayne. That's exactly right. That dang Putin. Putin's the reason we got inflation out of control. Oh my God, got to blame it on somebody, y'all, and you might as well laugh about it, right? Just laugh. It's all good. Everything's fine. So anyway, prices are what they are. So let's look. Nothing takes us by surprise. The market could go up or it could go down. So let's see how we're doing in our little account today. This is our tasty account that we're going to trade today, and everybody's freaking out because we're down over 1%. Oh no, what does it mean? I think we have much farther down to go, actually. So we shall see. So let's see how much we got in this little account today. Let's see here. Let me open him up. And it looks like we have 45,365. 45,365. All right. Looks like we got paid some bill. 45,365. Moving on up, Jack. Yes. Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky. This is the only account I can tell you on a day-to-day basis how much we're up on the year. We've not had any contributions or withdrawals. We're up 7.95%, whereas the market is up 7.97%. We are beating the S&P 500. Alpha, baby, alpha. That's what we are. So let's look at our Greeks and ratios, see how things are going today. So we are at 112 delta, 73 theta, 112.73. Let's look at that. 112.73, 73. And we said that the VIX is at 15.77. So that looks good. And our buying power is, let's see, buying power, positions. We just want to include the MES. We don't want to include this. So 18,435. 18,435. And remember, as long as we are above the 52 or the 200-day moving average, we can do this. So we are a little bit, we can go up to 50%, right? We are a little bit well, we're good on theta, actually. We're at the current rate, but we're a little heavy on our things there. So let's see what our things is. It says we're 44, got more than we need to. So what you could do is I could look and see if I've got, now remember, I've just started putting my trades down. So I could look and see if I've got any puts out there that I could take out, but I don't have them grouped. So let's see what our positions are here. This is all hedge stuff here. but I wouldn't mind moving a little bit of stuff down. So let's see what we got here. 3,800s with 9 days to go. Probably nothing to do there. Where's my naked stuff? There's a 10. There's a 9. Actually, it's too hard for me to even find what the stuff is for me to close. It's really too much. So I got a naked put 1 there. That's down 33%. We got a naked put 3 down 4.8%. And so I'm not going to close anything, I don't think. Let's see. I've got 90. Let's see what we got down here. We got 9s and 10s and 3s and 4s and 3s and da 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 da. Yeah, it's too hard for me to see. I'll just leave it like it is. But I think what we'll do is we'll probably put on another trade today. I mean, I think it's an excellent day to put on a trade. And let's see what our little trade thing says. I don't have that here where it says for the size, but I think I've been putting on 1 or 2 a week. So we'll probably trade this one on Wednesdays and Fridays. So we'll probably put on 2 trades per week. So let's just put on 1 today. You want to? Let's do that. So let's go and see if we can do a trade. And we'll go to 120 days. So we got this 128 days. And we'll sell something that's in the 10 delta. So we could sell this same put. It's okay to sell where you've already sold. We'll sell this 45.50 for 35.25. We'll try to get 35.50. Nothing. Let's go with him again. 35. We'll replace the order, make it 35.25. There we go. 35.25. Looks really good. So we put him on 35.25. So 45.50, 128 days. 45.50. 128 days, we said. And this is in the micros. Micro, we did 1 tranche. We'll call him NP4. Put naked. Did it today. Control your colon. And let's see, was it 35.25? Let's see, 35 activity, 35.25. 35.25. So the 45.50 is naked put 4. So let's name him so we don't have this trouble in the future. Naked put 4. 45.50. Where's he at? It's going to be NP4 and NP3 because it's on a different thing. Let's see, NP4 and NP3. Let's see. We sold NP3 at 45.50. So that's going to be 45.50s at 128 days. Let's find those. 45.50s. Good Lord, that's 9 days. What do we say? That's 72 days. So 128, 45.50. Where's he at? Here it is. Naked put 3. So what we need to do is go here and we need to rename the group and we'll name this as NP3 and NP4. There we go. Group those. There we go. So we know that those are together and those are down 2.5%. Now let's put on the PDS. And am I going to try to do it on the same strikes or I'll try to do it on a different strike? Let's see. So we'll trade and we'll go in. That's too big. I could do the same thing, right? But I could also say I'm going to put one down here at 4,900 and 48.50 for only 750. Let's do it up to 760. So bingo, baby. Come on. Come on, little feller. Bump him up a little bit more. 775. And we are done for 775. So we did the 4,900, 75 for 775. 4,900, 75. 775. What do we say? 4,900. So it's 4,900, 48.50. And MES. one little contract, and we'll call him PDS4. Puts, debit spread, 128, 4, 10, 24. Now, what you got to do, y'all, is you have got to make sure that you're not panicking on these little down days. Oh gosh, my coin's down $1,300. Oh, blah, 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 blah. No. Your things are first fine. And remember, you're not supposed to adjust anything until it gets to a 13 delta or 30 delta, right? So nothing here is a 30 delta. Look at that. It's still a 10 delta. Nothing to worry about. Let's look at some of these others. Well, first, let's put those 3,900, 4,900. What I said? Yeah, 4,900. Let's put those in a group. So let's go positions. 4,900, 4,850 is PDS4. PDS4. There we go. So let's see if I can show you here. Just make sure everything's fine because you're sitting there going, oh crap, we're down. Well, if you look at the trade tab, this will be the easiest place to see it. We've got trades in the 100-day. Let's see where our things are. This is the best way to look at them. All right, here's our naked stuff down here. Look at this. It's a 12 delta, 13 delta, 15 delta. Nothing is ready to be even close to being challenged. Let's go to 72 days where we've got positions. So there's our put debit spreads there, and we've got 5 down here. Look at this, y'all. These are all 8 delta. There's nothing to do there. Let's check out 72. We've got them in 71. There's put debit spreads and nakeds all the way down here. Look at this. 3%, 3%, 3%. Well, nothing to do there either, is there? So let's just let those sit there. So 71 days. Let's see what else we got. We got 71 days. We got 37 days. 37 days. What do we got here? We got 3 longs and 3 shorts. All right. And then we've got 4 longs and 4 shorts. Then what do we got? 3 longs and 3 shorts. And then what else we have here? We got 6 shorts, 4, 4, 4. Look at this. 1 delta, 1 delta, 1 delta, 6 here, 1 delta, 1 delta. No, there's nothing to mess with. This is a great way of doing it too, right? 37 days, and then we've got things in the 9 days. Let's see what we got down here at 9 days. 9 days, we've got, what do we have at 9 days? 7 longs, 7 shorts. So that's 7 thingamajigs. There's 2 longs and 2 shorts. And then look at this, y'all. Oh, behave. I mean, yeah, I could take these off, just for the heck of it. Let's see. These are all short puts with, 9, 10 days to go. Take these off for 5 cents. Now, let's see if it is indeed, if Tasty charges us commission to close these. Oh, where'd it go? Let's go down here to the very end and just kind of take off one of these. See how, if they don't charge us commission, just fees. Close position, full, 2, 20 cents. Let's try 15 cents. Let's try 10 cents. And trade cost is $1. Commissions are 0, but the estimated fees are still $1. So it's saying 204 for these. Let's try those. Okay. Let's cancel and replace. Replace. Move him up to 15. Replace. Move him up to 20. There we go. So we got rid of him. Might as well get rid of this one. Now I know what you're saying, Bobby. Why take it off? Just leave it. Well, I mean, if crap does hit the fan, these things could swell up. So why not take them off? I don't see a reason not taking them off. Let's go down to 20, 15. Okay, that's fine. We'll play 20 for you. Okay. So now that leaves us with these. Close position. Full. And let's try 20 cents or 15. We'll try 20. Isn't portfolio management fun though? We're just taking profits, y'all, closing them down. And this is helping with my deltas too, right? I'm taking some of these down, so it's helping my deltas. There we go. Might as well take these 8 down. Close them. 8 at 25 cents. Let's see if that'll go. Yep. Let's take these off. Try 25 cents. I said we'll try 30 cents. And let's take off the final naked puts here because I mean, there are 9 days to go. Now, what does my plan do? What does my plan do? Plan says on naked puts, let's just show it to you so everybody knows what we're doing. Plan says to take off the nakeds normally when they're at 95% profit or when they reach 30 to 21 days. So I've been slack because I hadn't been keeping up with these trades. So we've got to just do what the plan says. That's what my plan says. All right, here we go. So let's take these off. And some of you may disagree with taking these off. You say, "I'll leave them, Bobby." They're perfectly safe. And that's fine too. Because let me tell you something. Let me show you this. I'll get rid of this one first. I'm just making some portfolio adjustments. All right. So the plan also says it is acceptable to allow the naked puts to expire out of the money. Isn't that cool? So I can do that. I don't have to do that, but I can do that. So now let's see after all of our little adjustments, what it did to our thing here. So now we're at 115.67, 115.67. New trade gave us a little bit more deltas, but we closed those trades and then we brought our theta down, our risk down a little bit. So we've got more directional risk, less theta risk. And our thing went up from 18,435 to, let's see, positions. We got to get this cap requirement, do the da 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 da. And now we should be at 17,835, huh? 17,835. See if it went up or down. It went down. 17,835. Beautiful. That, ladies and gentlemen, is portfolio management. Hope you have a wonderful day. I can't wait to see y'all tomorrow.